Hey everyone! Welcome to this beginner's guide to yoga. Yoga is a great way to improve your flexibility, strength, and overall well-being. In this video, we'll cover the basics of yoga, so you can start your practice with confidence. The first pose we'll cover is the downward facing dog. Start on all fours, then lift your hips up and back, pressing your hands and feet into the mat. Keep your head and neck relaxed, and breathe deeply. The second pose is the warrior I. Step 1 foot forward and bend your front knee, keeping your back leg straight. Raise your arms above your head and hold the pose for a few breaths. The third pose is the tree pose. Stand on one foot and place the sole of your other foot against your inner thigh. Bring your hands together at your heart and hold the pose for a few breaths. The fourth pose is the child's pose. Kneel on the mat and lower your forehead to the ground, stretching your arms out in front of you. Breathe deeply and relax. The final pose is the corpse pose. Lie flat on your back with your arms at your sides, palms facing up. Close your eyes and focus on your breath, allowing your body to relax completely. Remember, it's important to listen to your body and go at your own pace. With regular practice, you'll gradually improve your strength and flexibility, and feel the benefits of yoga in your mind and body. Thank you for watching this beginner's guide to yoga training on YouTube. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Namaste. Thanks for watching.